In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get payslips by Gmail. We'll walk through getting your payslips delivered to your inbox, finding any that seem to be missing, securely opening them, and organizing everything so you never lose a slip again. First, make sure your employer or the relevant payroll authority has your Gmail address on file for digital delivery. Many payroll systems can send your payslip automatically as a PDF on payday, but only if you're registered for email delivery. If you work for a company, reach out to your HR or finance team and confirm the exact Gmail address they should use, the typical sending day, and the email address or domain the slips come from. That detail helps you find messages later. Next, open your browser and sign in to Gmail. You can follow along on the mobile app too, but the web interface makes the setup steps a bit clearer. If you're expecting a slip but don't see it, start by searching. In the Gmail search bar, type subject, payslip or salary slip, and press enter. Use the quotes exactly for the phrase search. You'll often see the message appear if the subject line contains those words. If it's still not there, check spam and trash. Automated payroll emails occasionally get flagged. If you find one in spam, open it and mark it, not spam, so future emails from that sender land in your inbox. Also take a look in all mail. If you accidentally archive the message, it won't show in the inbox, but will appear there. When you find the email, open it and look for the attached PDF. Many providers secure payslips with a password. The password is commonly based on details like an employee ID, a birth date format, or the last digits of a national ID, as described by your payroll provider. Follow the instructions they've given you and never share that password with anyone. Once the PDF is open, you can save it. Click the download icon to store a copy on your device, or the drive icon to save it straight to Google Drive. Consider naming it with the month and year to keep things tidy. To stay organized going forward, set up a Gmail filter. Click the Settings gear, choose See All Settings, then go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Create a new filter, enter your payroll sender in the From field, and then choose Apply the label. Create a label called Pay Slips so all future emails from that sender are grouped automatically. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.